I'm installing a new flooring in my house. That's in the basement. So I took out the old flooring before that it was a carpet. It was like that kind. And I installed a new one. So this is so far I did. And I'm not done with the ladder yet. The stairs, I mean. I just finished the landing. I still have to do the riser. And it's up to here. What I did. So, yeah, in the back, it's a back of I'm just gonna let these dogs out. Yeah, and now up to here. I still have to take out that old one over there. And now in the middle of coding. This is what you call the nosing. I just use it. I'm using a rubber one because the one that's supposed to be that same color, same material, I need to order it, special order. So yeah, these are all my stuff. Okay, and I'll show you again when I'm done, and I can show you the result. Thanks.